In this video, I'm showing you how to grab free tokens with the latest cex.io airdrop. It's super easy, and I'll guide you through each step, so stay tuned. Welcome back to CoinZero. If you've been looking for ways to earn free crypto, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to participate in the cex.io airdrop, where you can claim free tokens just by completing a few simple tasks. The link to join is in the description, so let's dive in. Once you join the game on Telegram, you'll see different tasks you can complete to earn points. It's easy to follow, and the more tasks you finish, the more points you get. These points will later turn into rewards. You don't need any special skills. Just follow the tasks and keep playing. As you complete tasks and accumulate points, you can exchange them for rewards. Once you've hit enough points, simply withdraw your rewards and you're set. If you're new to this process, don't worry. Everything is explained within the game itself. To earn points faster, make sure you're completing the high-value tasks first. Also, check in regularly for special missions that offer bonus points. Staying consistent can help you climb the leaderboard and maximize your rewards. Now, why should you join the cex.io airdrop? Let's break it down. It's free. No need to invest any money, just your time. Reputable platform. cex.io is a trusted exchange with a solid user base, and their token has real value in the market. After completing the tasks, cex.io will distribute your tokens once the airdrop period ends. You'll receive your CEX tokens in your wallet, and from there, you can trade them for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies, or hold them as the token value grows. And there you have it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to CoinZero for more crypto updates, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next big opportunity.